It's your girl, Receivers, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend, because we is Liddy over chia. And without further ado, y'all, I will be announcing the giveaway winner. I try to let the giveaway go, as long as I could, just to give everybody a fair chance to participate, which I appreciate everyone participating. I love that y'all show me love, and I love y'all for that. I really do appreciate it. So without further ado, the winner of the camcorder video camera, to help you get started with your YouTube, we have our family member Cena. Congratulations, Cena, you are the winner of this giveaway. And just thank you for participating. Thank you for always just being so chill and trill. You're my girl. Now, there ain't no favoritism, because y'all all my peoples, but I just shout out to everybody that just be like talking to me, because I'll be telling y'all I don't bite. I talk back. Okay, reach out to me, I talk back. Just ask Cena, I talk back. But yeah, shout out to my girl Cena, you won. And also, just to include two more goodies, I'm going to include a SD card. And I did read up on it, so it does take the SD card, and this is 128 gigabytes. So that should be a lot of storage just to get you started. And then also, if you don't have one already, this is a SIM card reader, so you would just put it into your computer. So you can either enter the SD card in there just by itself, or you can also enter it in the SD adapter in this. So this is something to have. So yeah, you are the winner. So congratulations once again. Thank you, Cena girl. But boom, boom, we have a cliffhanger, or we have a twist, a twist in the midst. What's up? Shout out to Kiana Johnson. What's up, Kiana? Girl, I was not gonna leave you. So you are the second winner up. Y'all never know with me. Y'all never know. Boom. I had actually purchased this, never used it. This is a body cam, but it also has a microphone. So this can also, because you're probably like, but what am I gonna do with a body cam? Let me tell you. So you can also use this, either you can flip this around so you can use it face forward, or the other way when you just want to view what's in front of you, or you can record looking at yourself and you can look at the actual screen. So this can actually help you get into the mood of recording. But guess what? You can still record and save stuff on here, girl, like I'm trying to tell you. So you can use this to record. It gives you the option to use Wi-Fi. There's a charger in here, noise reduction recording, HD 2 million pixels. What else? Oh, hotspot Wi-Fi, eternal battery, a charger, HD display, speaker, noise reduction, mobile detection, and it says it's ultra clear infrared night vision. So yes, you can use this to record and make videos and stuff like that. And of course, I was gonna throw you some in here too. So you also got a 128 gigabyte SIM card, micro SD card, and then you also got a SIM card reader. So shout out to our family members. We have Cena, and we also have Kiana Johnson. Y'all both is the winners. Like, y'all my peoples. Like, I mess with y'all, y'all mess with me, and that's how it's gonna be. So yeah, y'all, say congratulations to both of the winners of this giveaway. Remember, y'all, this is family. We don't have any sort of losers here. Y'all know in the future, just look at my past videos or ask other family members. I get downs with the giveaway, get down. So, we got stuff in the future coming up. A few little razzle dazzles. I'm not gonna say too much, but y'all know I'm a good giveaway giver. So just be looking in the future for the giveaways. And once again, congratulations to Cena and Kiana Johnson. I hope you guys can, enjoy these little tokens of love from my heart. But yeah, I do wish you guys the best with your YouTube channel. You too, and also any other family members. If you have any questions, y'all know I'm still an up and coming YouTube, but I'm willing to share the knowledge that I've gained or researched, or just from experience. But if you do have any questions about YouTube, if y'all want me to do a video on like other like stuff about YouTube, being a content creator, just let me know, or just shoot me a message through what I got Instagram, I got TikTok. Um, what's the other little thing Instagram got? The little threads thing. Just hit me up on Rare Secrets on all of them. If you search Rare Secrets and I pop up, just hit me up. Also, y'all make sure y'all send me y'all mailing information to the email right here, or if it's not right here, it's also in the bio. Give me until at least give me a week, y'all. Give me until like next week. So by the time y'all see this, it should be like Tuesday, Wednesday ish. So give me about a week. Cause y'all been dealing with schoolwork, family, crisis situations, work. So just give me about a week. Y'all know I'm good for it. Y'all know I'm good for it. And I'll send you the tracking information once I send off your things. But once again, congratulations to the family members, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.